guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing and it is Glossybox for June. However, I have some bad news. This edit is the June edition and it has sold out already. But I have good news. You can get the June mystery box and you can get some discount. I'll put my code here and I'll leave links down below for you guys. But yeah, let's have a look at what was in the June box. Glossybox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. There are multiple different ways where you can subscribe. It's £10 a month where you pay rolling month by month and then postage and packaging. You can do 12 months, so you do a 12-month contract but you still pay monthly, and it's £8.50 a month. But I will leave all the different options down below for you guys. You usually get 5 beauty products inside, and the box is always worth quite a lot, so I will let you guys know exactly how much this box is worth. This is sent to me for free from Glossybox, so thank you very much to them for sending it to me as always. So nice. Let's get in. So this, oh my god, the paper is so cute. Look. How cute is that? I'm keeping that paper. That is super cute. So this is the World of Beauty edit. And it says, hey Glossies, this month we're bringing the world to you. Hailing products from LA, Dubai, Australia. Our June edit features 5 beauty essentials from far and wide. Without even having to leave the comfort of your own home, you can explore an unrivaled variety of makeup, skincare from across the globe. And we've added some homegrown favourites in too. So I'm just gonna grab things. I love that paper, that is just so cute. Try not to rip it because I want to keep that because that is so pretty. What is it? Ooh, okay, so the first thing I've got is Botanic Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Gel Eye Pads, Cucumber Rose Extract, Green Tea and Hyaluronic acid, that is. I love this packaging, super cute. I've never heard of this brand before. This is a London brand. Botanic Beauty is a plant-based, cruelty-free and natural skincare brand, and you're going to love the invigorating eye patches infused with green tea, hyaluronic acid and rose extract. These will help to soothe and brighten your tired looking eyes. These are full size and they're £5. I will give them a go. I don't like the smell of rose, but hopefully it'll smell more like cucumber. We shall see. But yeah, I'm excited for those. Next up is a Model Co. Coming to you from the land down under, this creamy liquid eyeshadow boasts a highly pigmented formula that will coat your eyelids in an iridescent sparkly glow. Use the cushion top to wing it along your lash line and create a precise winged line, or sweep it across your whole lid. So this is full size and this is £15. Really pretty colour by the looks of it. I tend to use liquid eyeshadows on my lips. Ooh, really pretty colour. Look, super shimmery, and you could totally use that as a highlighter as well. You could just put it, I've got my glasses on, idiot. You could totally put it as a liquid highlighter as well. Multiple uses. We love things that have got more than one use. Next is an eyeshadow brush set from LA Splash Cosmetics. Same city, found in the same city as Hollywood. You can be sure that LA Splash is all about glitz and glam. Their 2 eyeshadow brushes are perfect for creating red carpet looks. Use a fluffy one to apply and blend, and then the densely packed angled one to sweep out eyeliner and smudge under your waterline. These are full size and these are worth £15. So we've got 2 brushes in here. Oh, that's a nice little brush. So you've got a bigger one to do like the packing on of the colour, and then the little one, I would totally use that as an eyebrow brush, but that is really good for like along your waterline and your eyeliner line. So yeah, happy with those. Haven't heard of that brand before, I don't think I have, possibly. Next up we've got Huda, brought to you by Iraqi American beauty guru Huda Kattan. This dual-ended eyeliner boasts a liquid liner on one end and a creamy pencil on the other, to achieve an ultimate eye look. Better yet, both are waterproof and smudge proof. This is full size and this is £18. Huda's packaging is always really fancy pants. This is an extreme black. So that is the packaging. So this end, we've got a liquid liner. Ooh, that's a nice one. And then this end, we have got a pencil. We love a liner, that's always nice to have. My favourite liquid liner has just recently dried up, so it's a twist. Okay, that just pulls off and then that twists off. Lovely stuff, and it's Huda, and yet that is worth £18. I have only been doing eyeliner like properly in the last few months, just because we got a Ciate one that's got like the stamp on it, and it has been like a game changer for eyeliner. So yeah. And the last item is makeup remover cloth from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. This packaging is so cute, look at that. These are full size and they are £7.99. There's two options. There is like a zebra print or a leopard print. Inspired by the elegant style of the 1950s, British brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company brings you eco-friendly reusable makeup cloths. Wet your cloth and glide the side with the short fibres over to cleanse your skin and remove makeup, or the other side to exfoliate. No cleansing lotions required. This is mainly what I use for full makeup removal, is things like this. I love them. Ooh. Oh, you get two. They are so soft. Okay, so you've got, it's like that, and then on the other side it says use this side to exfoliate. I absolutely love them. They're nice big ones as well. So I will let you guys know down below how these work out, but from experience of trying other brands, they work really well. And there is a discount code on the top of the box. It says get 25% off. I'll put it on the screen. Wild25 is the code, and that is the vintagecosmeticcompany.com, and that is valid until the 31st of December this year. So that is the box. I think, I don't know which is my favourite. Probably this, just because I'm a sucker for these. I love them. I've got quite a lot of different branded ones, and I just like to have them, and I literally use it a couple of times and then I'll just chuck it in the washing machine. So they're always lovely if you want to be a bit more eco-friendly and not use wipes. The only thing I'm a little bit sceptical about is this, but that's only because it's got rose in it. I just wish the rose trend would just die a death, because I hate it. And I know I'm not the only one that hates it. Lots of people hate the smell of rose, but me especially. I just really hate it. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all really, really soon. Bye guys.